Sawadee Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Gift. Today I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate cinnamon rolls. Of course, everyone knows this pastry, but today I'm gonna show you how it's easy to make it. Okay, for the first, I will show you all the ingredients to make chocolate cinnamon rolls. First, I will use all-purpose flour, 250 gram and 2 gram of yeast and 60 gram sugar, 150 ml warm milk, need to be warm, and 10 gram butter. And after this is so easy, you just mix all the ingredients together. First, I add all-purpose flour, sugar, yeast, and warm milk, and just mix well. After that, just use your hand, knead the dough until it becomes soft and smooth. Like this also perfect. And after that, I just wrap it and wait around 1 or 2 hours till the dough to double size. Okay, let's make the chocolate sauce while the dough is rising. So I will add 25 gram cocoa powder, cornflour 10 gram and 90 gram sugar, and add 100 ml fresh milk and mix well. So I use medium heat to simmer the chocolate sauce. After you see the chocolate foam like this, it means the chocolate is already cooked. Ta-da! Chocolate sauce is ready, and now I will add cinnamon rolls. Just add whatever you like, and after that just make well. Now I put some flour to be preparing for the dough. Ta-da! Check it. Okay, perfect. After the dough has double size, I just roll it out into the sheet. Just like this. After that, add chocolate sauce and cinnamon powder, and after that I will cut 3 pieces first and make it 6 pieces. Now I will cut 3 pieces first. After that I will make it 6. Just cut it and draw it like this. Perfect, beautiful. So for the baking tray, I will put a little bit butter for the cheese like this. Okay, and after that just break it in the oven. But before that, I will add the butter mixed with the fresh milk for make the bread is soft. After that, just put it in the oven. Use 220 Celsius for 12 minutes. Finish! It looks so good, but still not finished yet. So I will add chocolate salt for the topping. Make the cinnamon rolls look juicy. Wow, it looks so good now. So after this, I will add the biscuit cookie. But if you don't like biscuit cookie, you can add the cashew nut or peanut or chocolate chip, whatever you like. But I like the biscuit cookie, so I just put it. Thank you to watching Cook with Kift. If you like our video, please like and subscribe for more easy recipes. So see you next time. Bye bye.